everybody. Today is Friday, May, 24th? Just picked up Jonathan from school. He finished his last EOG test of the year. And we, there he is, are on our way to Virginia to hit the Appalachian Trail around the McAfee Knob area. And we intend to spend one day and night backpacking. And we are looking forward to it. Stay tuned for more. We're at the McAfee Knob trailhead. Jonathan is ready to go. Jonathan, you want to say anything?
Nah.
All right, we'll see you on the trail.
Whatever it is.
How you doing, Jonathan?
Good.
Good.
It's fun.
Yep.
Smell like Purell.
We're on our first climb, huh?
He spelled Purell. His Purell hand sanitizer leaks so nice.
I smell fresh. All right, let's roll. So we're on the AT. We're maybe a half a mile in, and Jonathan's leading the way and has come up on our first snake. Looks like just a black snake or a rat snake. I can't tell for sure. He's just, you can hopefully see its tail, but we're just going to leave it alone. I'm going to maybe encourage it to move a little bit off the trail so we can scoot on by, especially Jonathan there. He does not want to be near that snake, do you, Jonathan?
I don't love snakes.
All right. I'm going to turn the camera off and help this snake
No, I
along.
can record it. I can record it.
Oh, you want to record it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm just going to take my hiking pole. Another reason to have hiking poles. There you go.
Jonathan Cam here, sweaty as crap.
Actually, he's moving on.
Dadgummit.
All right, let's go. Go ahead and pause it or stop it. So, just a quick update. Here we are at John Springs Shelter. Taking a little break. First break of the day. Here is the shelter. Pretty basic. I don't know who's here. Yep, that's it. This is about a mile, if not exactly a mile from the trailhead. Jonathan is going to get out his map, do some orienteering for this hike to satisfy a requirement for tenderfoot or second class. I can't remember. I don't have the book in front of me. But he has to use a map and compass to go on a 5-mile hike, which we're going to split up over 2 days and probably cover 8 or 9 miles. So, Jonathan, you want to get the map out, or you want me to turn this off? There's our map.
Hold on.
All right, I'm going to turn this off.
I already have a blister on my thumb from doing my hiking poles, which is kind of weird since we just started. Haven't even been on here for like an hour, and it's already started. Crazy.
Want to turn around and go back home?
No.
Good.
Why would you say that?
Just wanted to see what you'd say.
Oh, it's super blurry. Hold on. There we go.
How about now?
No.
Now is it blurry?
Yeah, we're gonna cut that.
We are still at John Springs Shelter. We are about to sign the trail registry and then put it back in the shelter. Jonathan has earned the trail name Blister for his ability to get a blister 1 mile into a hike. On his hand, though, from the hiking poles, presumably. And I'm going to stick with Big Daddy Dean.
Is it the 23rd?
Over and out. All right, just a brief check-in. We've been hiking, I don't know. We've probably covered 3 miles so far. It's hot. Mid to upper, well, probably upper 80s. And it's kind of a tough climb, but we are doing great, having fun, aren't we, Jonathan? Jonathan! But we are looking forward to stopping, seeing 5 deer. All right, here comes somebody, so I'm going to turn this off. Bye-bye. All right, so Jonathan, we're at McAfee Knob. Was it worth it?
Kind of and sort of not.
Kind of and sort of. Was it harder than you thought?
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, it's better
You feeling good?
now.
Now? Yeah. Here, I'm going to pass it to you and let you do some recording there for a minute. Great, where are you? Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, no. I just threw myself. I was like so done, you know. I just threw it
That's
down.
what we did.
Like, don't.
All right, so we just left McAfee Knob a little while ago, and we're continuing northbound to, I think it's Pig Farm campsite, campground, campsite, whatever. And just thought, this is a pretty cool, what is it, Jonathan?
Spider.
Spider. It's afraid of a snake. All right, but yeah, check this out. This is pretty sweet. The trail just going right through these rocks. And it's pretty. All right, Jonathan, anything you want to tell everybody? All right, check out. We'll check in. Check in later. Bye. Good morning. It is Saturday morning. We had some breakfast. There's Jonathan. Haven't videotaped much since we got to camp last night for a couple reasons. One, we were busy getting set up, and two, there are a lot of people here, and I didn't know if other people would want to be videoed. So, Jonathan, you want to say anything, buddy? Having fun, bud?
Yeah, I'm feeling better.
You feeling better? Yeah.
Feet are super dirty.
How's breakfast?
Good. Have dry Cocoa Puffs and some apple cider.
Yeah. Anything else you want to say? Had fun with the dog?
Yeah, Mr.
Yeah.
White.
So here's where Jonathan slept last night. It's his hammock. Here's where I slept last night. Jonathan, you want to tell, before we forget, while it's still fresh on your mind, you want to tell everybody what you saw last night?
A bear. A bear.
A bear? What was the bear doing?
trying to get on that tree.
Trying to get on that tree where our bear bags were hung. Thankfully, he did not get our food. All right, anything else before I turn it off? Oh, so here's the real quick view. Here's the campsite.
Show him your hammock.
I did. Yep. Here's my hammock. All right, we're gonna get packed up and figure out way out. So long. All right, hello. It's Saturday morning again. We are actually going southbound now on the AT. Jonathan wanted to hit McAfee Knob, so that's the route we're going. You good, Jonathan?
Yeah.
All right, check in later. All right, it's me again. I cut that last video short because somebody was coming. This is a steep hill. Going southbound up to McAfee Knob, repeating what we did yesterday for our return trip back home. There was an alternate loop that we could have done to prevent us from taking the same hike twice, but Jonathan wants to go back to McAfee Knob, and that's what we're going to do because it's cool. So I don't think the video does justice to what we are hiking up right now, but it's a beautiful morning and we're having fun. Jonathan, anything you want to say?
You need a GoPro.
I need a GoPro.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. Check in with you later. Hey, Jonathan. Here we are at not technically the McAfee Knob overlook, overlook, but right down the trail from it.
Cliffside.
And it is impressive. It is impressive. Jonathan, what do you think, buddy?
Beautiful.
You got anything you want to say?
Beautiful.
You gonna get your camera out, take some pictures here?
Beautiful.
No.
I like that.
All right, we're gonna head on down. We're gonna walk these cliffs for a little while. Overnight.
That's not poison.
All right, here we are. We're on the fire trail, coming down from McAfee Knob. We're gonna get us some lunch and maybe still have a 45-minute hike. Catch you later. Bye-bye. All right, Jonathan. So here we are recording you again. Now that you had some Chick-fil-A, what are your thoughts after spending 2 days on the Appalachian Trail?
My feet hurt.
Your feet hurt? Are you glad you went?
Yeah. The view was amazing.
Yeah. What was your favorite part?
The knob.
The knob, McAfee Knob. Cool. Anything else you want to say? Should this be the last video I do on this series?
No.
Maybe one when we get home?
No.
Alright. Say bye-bye.
Bye.